Hello. Yeah. We can start the session. Let me share my screen. This is like Ethereum wallet. Yeah, this only we can perform like every operations like signing a transactions or transferring money or communicating with the contracts. We can perform via these things only with wallets. Wallets is a combination of different addresses like different accounts, which has in a array format like nine number of accounts will be in a particular wallet. Let's see, there is a two types of wallet in Ethereum. There is a non-deterministic and then deterministic. Non-deterministic means there is no wallet. You can generate your Ethereum account and then you can, it's like some random private key and then random public key. It's kind of non-deterministic. It does not comes under any wallets. Like if you are creating a wallet, it will create a account. Inside the accounts, there is a private key, public key pair is there. But in Ethereum, you can use like wallet. Otherwise, like single account also, like public key, private key, Ethereum address. And then like deterministic means in every wallet there is a seed. Via that seed we can load our wallet. If we don't know about our wallet, if we want to create a new wallet, we can create, and then the creation process it will give us seed. Let's see. Uh, I am removing this. I remove, and then I am going to add that wallet. Just clicking here, and then if you want to use an just click download. For Chrome, it will be it will ask, and then install Chrome. Yeah, it will give like MetaMask. I will share the link. Parallelly, you can try in your browser. Just need to try in your browser. Let me share the link. Just try to open and then try to install it in your browser. If you are clicking install MetaMask, it will open like a Chrome Web Store. Inside that, you can see that MetaMask and then add to your browser name, add to Chrome or add to Firefox or whatever. Sorry. Just click add to browser. Okay. It is uploading and then adding. Yeah, it is added. Once this is done, it will ask get started. Please try this on your Chrome and let me know. Everyone, please try this up to this step and then let me know how we can proceed. We will move further. Is there any struggle happening while installing MetaMask? Let me know. Once done, please enter like done at least in a command. Okay. Just click the URL and then install it in your browser. That's all. Okay, thank you. Rest of thing. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, it was showing some dialog box. Read and change all your data on the website that you visit. Display notifications. Modify the data that you copy and paste. What I can do, sir? Whether I want to add extension or cancel, sir.
Add extension.
Okay.
It will show the pop-up right in that
Yes.
browser. You just add extension.
Okay.
Yeah. We will move forward. Wait for another. Others also will create a wallet. Or else, if we not facing any issues, we will move on. Just wait for 3 minutes. Okay, I think everyone is installed, and then we will move forward. Get started. If you already have a seed, you just need to enter your seeds, seed faces, password, then new password. If you does not have any wallet like any MetaMask, any Ethereum wallet, so just click the create wallet, agree, and then create a password. Then terms and conditions, create. It will show the secret backup faces. Just copy this. This is your seed, like sentence. Wait. Just keep it in somewhere notes. Then next, it will ask again for confirmation. Control, command, features, small, expect. Let's confirm it. Your wallet is created. Just try to finish to this. I will explain further in detail about MetaMask. Just finish this and let me know once you guys all are completed. If you struggle anywhere, just ping in our chat. Just take it as a 5 minutes for this. For seed entering, you just copy paste in Notepad so that you can just see and type easily. Yeah, done. Wallet also completed up to this. Muhammad sir, up to this completed. Yeah, fine sir. This is your account address. Okay, fine. Yeah. The MetaMask is giving like
Sir, wait for some time. We are also creating, please, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, completed.
Completed, sir.
In this MetaMask, there is a network section. In this network section, you can see the main Ethereum network, Option Test Network, Coven, Rinkipi, Charlie network, and then you can add if you have any other networks like if I have a if I have a node like main Ethereum, Option, this kind of testnet. I started one network, so I have one IP for that network. Just I can enter like it's like Aaron node and then new RPC URL. That RPC URL you can get it. Let's say we can add this. Okay. IP and then chain id for mainnet and mainnet is 1, option is 3. For every network have a ids, that is optional one. Let's see, Arun node is added. You can see that in network tab you can see your customized node. So your node also you can add. One person asked regarding that IP. Once you created a node, you get a node IP, so you can perform any transaction with your IP. So I am added here. This will show or this will do all RPC calls with my node, not these things. Let's move to Ethereum network. Yeah, sure. Just move to that custom RPC. Inside the custom RPC, you just type like any of the node like this node. RPC URL is your IP. HTTP colon double slash colon
This is system IP, sir.
AFF. No, no, no. This is what I shown like, in the morning. I logged in some server, right? You can see.
Yeah. Sir, kindly share that IP whether we can access it when we are
No,
creating
no,
the.
no, 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 no.
Then
How?
how we have to create?
This is for demo purpose. I am showing.
Okay, okay,
This is my client IP. I can't share
okay.
these things. So you can get
Any
this
example IP is there for study
if
purpose?
so you can use this, but I can't give a cloud access to that server. You can use that IP. No problem. I shared in the chat. Just try to add. If you're adding, just click save. That's all. Clear that network part.
I'm entering that IP. It's showing the malicious something. Malicious URL record appropriate. I have to enter HTTP colon slash like that.
Yeah. HTTP colon double slash and then that IP. After that, you need to enter default port called 8545. That is the Ethereum node default port. Just remember. Everyone have that issue while using it. Let's see. I'm removing Adam custom RPC. Uh, then like this you need to add. Wait, I will post it. Yeah, I posted like that only. While adding, it will add it. It won't give any exception for me. You got it? Still you are facing issue.
Yes, sir.
You are facing issue or
Yes, sir. It's not connected. It's not created. A malicious Ethereum network provider can lie about the state of blockchain and record your network activity. Only add custom networks you trust.
yeah, you can do that.
I'm
This
clicking
is
yes.
this
Yeah.
message you are saying.
Okay. I think it was added. It was added. Good.
Yeah, it is added.
Yes.
This is like info he is saying.
Just it is giving alert. I think so.
Okay. This is like mainnet. If you have any Ethereum in mainnet, you can get the balances. If you want to buy, you can buy it here. They are giving options. As of now, we don't need for mainnet. We will play with the dropstring. In the dropstring, we don't have a balance. How we get the balances means just click a buy. There is a test faucet is there. Just click that. It will navigate to some other URL like phaser.metamask.io. Click request one ether. It will try to access your wallet. It will ask like this. And then click next. Connecting. Okay. The transaction is initiated. They are transferring one ether to your account. Just try to deposit some test ether in your account. We'll see if there is anyone facing an issue.
Step by step.
Yeah, just click buy, get ether. It will navigate to other side. You can see, click one ether, and then click. It will transfer another one ether. If you are clicking means it will create up to 5 transactions. Yeah, this will say too many requests created for the IP. You can request with minimum number of like 5 transactions only.
So
Already did.
whether we have to click request one ether from faucet.
Yeah, yes, the green color button. It means this guy transferred test ether to our account. This is the meaning. Let's say 2 ether is added. Just wait for another 3 ether. Can get that. Yeah, I got 5 ether.
So it is connected with MetaMask. Then we have to do click next.
It can. You are clicking that green color button.
Yes,
It
sir.
will ask MetaMask to connect.
Yes, sir. It is
There
has
is
connected.
a wallet selection is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Once
It
you are
has.
selected,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
next and then connect. Next and then connect. Yeah, I think. Is there anyone stuck in somewhere? Whether we have repeat this process 5 times to have 5. Yeah, yes, obviously. Just click the button, green color button. Once you reached, they will save a message. Like just move to your. Let's do that. Wait. Got 5 ether. Yeah, fine. And then just click by test faucet, get ether. It will navigate to one. While clicking, one pop-up will be there. In that, you need to select address. Once the address is selected, click next. While clicking next, it will ask connect. While clicking a connect, the MetaMask wallet connected to the website, and then click again and again. It will create a transactions like this. You can see the transaction by clicking this. This guy is transferring 1 ether to my account. You can see all the things. Yeah, the value is 1 ether, 1 ether, 1 ether. Yeah, yeah, fine. All are done with this point. Shall we move next?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone still doing this one? All are get 5 ethers. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to perform creating another account. Create account. Account name is you can maintenance account. Account. Then it will create a second account. The same way you can do get ether, but it will say your IP already reached 5 requests, so you can't add the funds. But you can transfer between your accounts. Like I have account one, I am going to send between my account second account. Just enter like 1 ether. This is the for default they are saying slow, average, fast. If you want to customize it, just click slow. It will show the gas price. This is what your previous question. Previous sessions, you guys are asking these question only. While setting
How
a gas price,
how to create another account, sir?
just click this icon
Okay. Yeah,
and
create.
then create account. Okay, just transfer between our accounts. I'm showing here. I'm just selecting the second account by like transfer between my accounts, second account, and then I am entering 1 ether, and then I am customizing my gas price like 100 GB. It will calculate and then you can see 100 GB means 1.0021 ether will be reduced in our account. Just I am going to initiate the transaction. So you can see that this is what I am going to spend for transaction fees. This is my transfer amount. Just doing a next. It will ask if you want to edit gas again. We can edit it and then confirm. you can see the transaction is in pending. The gas fee is we are set at like 0.021 ether.
சாப்பிட்டேன். பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Please try this up to level. Try up to this level. Send transfer to Ethereum between your addresses. Two addresses. Transaction is completed. You can see the
Sir,
all the
excuse me,
activities
sir.
regarding. Yeah. Nothing. Just click send. Click transfer between my account. Just select the another your account, and then just enter that how much you need to transfer, 1 ether or 2 ether. Okay, 1 ether, and then select the transaction fees. If you are fine with fast and average and slow, just leave it and then click next. It will ask and then click confirm. You can reject the transaction also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So after creating one another account, when I'm requesting
Okay.
for ether, it is showing that the user is greedy already has too much ether.
Yeah, that's only it. Per IP you can per hour you can get a five only 5 test tokens,
Okay.
test Ethereums.
Okay,
You
sir.
can't get more. So just try that, like transfer between two your accounts, like account one to account two, 1 ether, and let me know if you are facing any issue.
So how? So once again, repeat how I can do transfer.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Just click send,
Okay, sir.
transfer between my accounts, and then account two. I am selecting, and then I am entering the Ethereum amount, how much I need to transfer, and then select the transaction fees, speed or slow or average, these kind of details, and then click next. It will ask confirm. Once you click confirm, the transaction will be published on network, blockchain network. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If all are completed means shall we move next? Is there anyone still doing?
So
Yeah.
actually, I fetched 5 years, but right now it's showing the balance is insufficient. To transfer. The next is
Can you check that how much you are entered? I think it is 1 0. While clicking, I'm also facing that issue. While clicking this, here you are entered 1 ether, but it is showing insufficient fund. But the zero
no,
is
no, no.
not removed.
That was one, sir. But even in the balance, you can see no balance. It's showing 3 point something. For me, it shows zero.
Uh, can you
There is
confirm which account you are in? Account one or account two?
just a moment, sir.
Sorry.
Just a moment, sir.
Can you share
Yeah,
your address, Ethereum address? Can you share your Ethereum address in chat?
that is under account one. It's showing no. That is address.
Okay, just enter.
That is a private key, sir.
No, 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 private key. Not needed. Just address only. You need to copy, like just click that account one, like just click copy and then send. Just click here.
Sir, it's showing insufficient fund from account one. I am sending.
Wait, wait, wait. Let me
Sir,
check.
show me the address, sir. Path.
Just click that switching accounts. You can just click here and then switch between two addresses. Okay. If you
Okay.
have got address, just click and then share it in the chat. That's it. Like this. So I can verify how much you have a balance in a blockchain. That's why I'm asking. Did you transfer it? Sorry, did you share it? Okay. Going to query this. Just enter. Yeah, you have a 5 ether. You can see. If
Sir?
you want to know your balance, just copy and then search it in here.
Okay. Now, account one is there. I want to transfer means I have to just click on
Search. First, you need to confirm. Just click here.
just
You are selected that balance account or why?
the
Because I can't
balance.
see your screen. That's why.
The balance account, sir.
Yeah, just tick. Just click, and then try to send transfer between my accounts, and then select account two. Why? Because from account one to account two, you need to transfer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just click here, and then if you click, just try to enter one.
I'll try.
Uh, what should be the gas price? The gas price you can that is user choice. You don't be like I'm going to give gas price like 100 means this is the fees going to get minor.
Actually
That's all.
speaking, I transfer, sir, right now, but still it shows balance. So as to check
Still,
the balance, we have to go back also.
this is your address, right?
Yes.
You have a balance. Just refresh the MetaMask. Just refresh the URL. Maybe your browser is outdated one. Maybe.
It shows actually I transferred one, so it should be full. Now it works.
Okay. Can you
So
share your
no,
transaction
no,
details?
no. Now I got it. It takes few minutes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now working fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I think in this meeting, nearby 65 people are there. Just try to share zero point 0.5 ether to my account. I am posting here my account so that I know you guys are following or not. Or else you can transfer one ether. Just enter one ether and then try to transfer funds to my account. Is it fine, everyone? You are not going to go give us real money. This is a test money, test ether only. Okay, let's see the pending transactions. How to transfer that address? Why not? Just click send, enter my address. It will ask like this, and then enter one ether. Next, the same procedure without clicking that. Before you done, transfer between my accounts. Instead of that, just place that my address in a search bar like here. Just place it, and then like enter Ethereum and then transfer. Okay, done. Okay, we'll see. 18 seconds ago. Yeah, fine. Anita. Okay, let's see. Transfer.
So how I can view, suppose if I close the tab, how I can once again go to MetaMask, sir?
Here it will show. If you close this window, you just click that icon. It will show your entire thing. Understand? Sorry. I think how many transfer is there? Okay, only 10 I get it. 10 transactions only I get. 10 means 9 only. Okay, if you guys understand means that's fine. And then uh, next example is just if you want to take this account private key means just click here, just click account details, and then click export private key, and then enter the password, then confirm. This is my account one private key. Just try to get it to exporting private key. How we can export the private keys? Try to export your private key, and then you can see the hex.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
this is for exporting.
when
Sorry.
I click the MetaMask, it's showing that it's not showing that adding and buying and sending option. Just it's remove from Chrome, just like it's showing at.
Remove. You are right clicked. I think this is what you are. Just click it, not right click. Just click. It will show the MetaMask. Just click, not right click.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anyone can share your private key. Just click account details, export private key, and then enter your password, and then you can see the private key. Just anyone share your private key. Yeah, thank you. But don't share in public. Somebody will use your MetaMask. After this session, don't use this MetaMask. Just reset your account and then use it. In this, if I have a private key, this is considered as a non-deterministic. Let's say I have a private key, but I don't have a wallet. So I have a wallet. I am going to add my non-deterministic account, like create. Sorry, not create. Import. Import from private key. I'm just entering private key and then doing import. This is your account, right? Yeah. This is what your account. So non-deterministic accounts also we can import in our wallet like this. It will show like importer. And then if you have any treasure or ledger, you can connect your devices with MetaMask. Yeah. Try with your friends private keys how to import that private key in MetaMask. And once completed, let me know. Shall we move on other things?
Once again, tell me how to export that private key and import, please.
Just here there is a three dot. Just click this and then add account details and then export private key.
Yes, sir.
Just enter your password, valid password. It is a valid password, MetaMask password,
Yes, sir.
and then click confirm. Okay. Yeah. Shall we go through this? What have actually happened in a backend? How wallets are created? How accounts are maintained inside wallet? We are going to see. This is like if you are running any chat okay. Yeah. This is like each account have this type of files like UTC files. If you open any files, should be will show it in a, this is completely like encrypted one. What algorithm used, how we can. This is based on how we can decrypt that value address. For example, uh, you have a wallet. You just entering the private key. Sorry, entering the password for unlocking. Let's show that. I'm going to lock. I'm going to enter password. With this password, the file will be decrypted with this chipper algorithm and then chipper text. It's like salt and then key encryptions. And then I'm doing unlock. This is what happening encryption decryption in client side. If I am turn off my internet, if I am doing means this will work. This is how they are storing in wallet files. You can see that if you have a thousands of record, thousands of accounts, it will be create thousands of files. Let's see. Understand regarding these deterministic, non-deterministic, and then MetaMask functionalities. Is there any doubt? You can import and then you can export your account. Uh, I think we need to. If you have a seed phase, the MetaMask will ask import account using seed phase. I already have that seed phase here. Just copy, then paste, then enter my account. Let's my account is restored. This is how the chipper that seed phases are working. In every blockchain, the seed phase is the important one. 12 digits, 12 words of the seed phases. You are going to do hashing with that 12 words only, with that 12 words only. Just try to do again one time the transfer between your addresses and then some other public. Just go to this website and then click home. You can
Sir,
fetch any addresses. Yeah,
sir,
yes.
when I'm
Yeah.
exporting, it's rejecting the password. It's not accepting my password. When I'm creating the MetaMask, I have created the password, but it's
Okay.
not confirming it.
I think you are entering wrong password. Maybe just
Reset the password, sir.
reset password. You have a seed face, right? Seed face. Have you copied that seed face or not?
No, sir.
Then your account is gone. You need to maintain your private key or a seed faces. If you are losing these things, you will lose your accounts, your funds also. You can't recover it. Understand?
This means at the beginning, at the time of entering, we have stored, no, sir. At that one, we are telling seed phrase. Some
Yeah.
phrases, yes. Okay, sir.
If you have it means
Yes, sir.
just lock and then just like let me show that. Just click lock. You
Okay,
can
sir.
see that, right? Just click lock
Okay,
and
sir.
then import using seed faces. Just copy this, then
Oh,
enter your new
okay,
password.
okay, sir. Okay.
If you are losing seed faces, also means you will lose your wallet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do it.
If you are maintaining that seed faces in like some secure place, that is fine. If you are using non-deterministic wallets, sorry, accounts means like it have only private key. If you are losing your private key, your account is gone. Without private key, you can't recover your account details. You can see the account. If you know the account address, you can see the balances with that. You can see the how many ethers I have. You can see that. But if you are losing your private key, you can't do any transaction. You can't perform any transaction in that address. That is the main thing. Why? Because in the previous session I told like addresses we can't go back. We can't able to go back. Like address to public key to private key. We can't able to move. We can move with private key to public key to address. This is the flow we can do in Ethereum blockchain. In every blockchain, you can't get a private key by using address. That is the core part of blockchain. Mm, Sir, now whatever accounts that we have created in MetaMask, yeah, this is the wallet, right? This is the wallet, right? This is one wallet. I am recovering my accounts with that. You can see that I am recovering with seed faces only. If you are losing means you can't able to get there. That is the main thing. Password is does not matter. Forgetting that password is does not matter. If you are forgetting the password, you can recover by using seed phrases. It's true. You can get the every addresses, but imported address we can't get. That is we lose. Why? Because that is not non-deterministic one. That is not a part of our wallet. Everyone clear with this MetaMask? Is there any doubts?
So how to import? Once again, you have to tell me, sir. How to import that?
Just click log. Just click import using account seed faces.
Sir, I have created. I'm asking you that how I can import because the private key. You told me to share the private key. How to import that private key in our?
Yeah, I understand. Hold on. Just I am putting. Uh, I just copy the Mr. Prasad private key. Just going to import account private key. Just clicking it. That's all. This is what Mr. Prasad account, 2.9 ethers. Understand? If you perform any
Yes, sir.
transaction, you can see it in a activity screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then you can remove that. You can play with that. So on recovering through seek cases, we lose the access. Yeah, obviously we can't recover that imported account. Let's see, I imported your account. I'm going to lose my wallet, entire wallet, and then I'm going to like that's where's my seed. Hmm. Your account will be lost. That is the one major advantages in a wallet. If you have a seed phrase, you can recover entire wallet. Otherwise, you will lose if you are using. Why we need to recover when that arises? Yeah. If we are not creating any accounts with wallet, means like if I am generating, there is one function is there. Wait, let me show you. 3JS. This function will create web3.eth.accounts.create will create directly the private key and then address. So this is a non-deterministic one. Deterministic means inside the wallet. Like if we are creating means we can create account. Just we need to create with the scope of wallet. But if we create like this means it will create a private key and then address. This is not non-deterministic one. This is a random kind of string. You can see. Then any questions regarding that MetaMask wallet? Or did you understand regarding that when that arises?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, madam.
Yeah, I have created the account in the MetaMask now. Will you please
Okay.
briefly tell me the steps?
For transfer or
Yeah, just now I created the account. Right now there
okay.
is 0 ether.
Okay. Just click. Just select your address network in an option.
Yeah, I have opened the account one where I'm getting view on Etherscan and export private key.
You are clicking here. I am saying, are you switched into Robster network? Here the tab is the
Yeah,
Robster network. Just click Robster network. If you have any balance or you don't have any balances.
right now.
Okay. Just click buy and then click get ether and then click request one ether from faucet. Have you following? Are you following? And then click select the wallet. Then next connect. Once connecting is established, just move to the site. Click request one ether from faucet. I already requested many ethers. That's why they are not allowing for requesting ether. Yeah. We can send. If you have an address like let's say you just go to this website and then send me some address like from these transactions or anywhere, just click any transactions like anything, and then just click this anything from or to or anything. It not be a contract that you have to confirm, and then just copy and then share to me. I will perform that transfer. For transfer you need only public key, right? Ethereum account address only needed. If I copy, I send, I just enter. That's all. If you change any one letter in that hash, you will lose your. For example, instead of two, I am entering three. Okay, this is also be a Ethereum account. If I send any transactions, this account will receive. These things we need to check. That's only telling. In Ethereum, address is the main thing. Okay, anything else? Yeah, transaction is confirmed. When signing in one, signing, no, just the seed phase for restoring our accounts, not for signing. Seed phase is used for recovering our accounts. Once the accounts are recovered, we can do a sign with any accounts. Let's say I am signing one transaction with account 1. I can signing another transaction with account 2. I can do another transaction signing with account 3. This is depends upon me which account I need to sign. Yes, you can create any addresses. You can create any number of Ethereum addresses here. You can create. Yeah. If I forget seed phase, that's all. You are losing your accounts. Uh, and then next, we will move next, or is there anyone still in MetaMask? Yeah, thank you. List of wallets in the morning. I shown like the Ethereum support these kind of wallets like MyEther, MyCrypto, Tracer, and then Ledger. You need a hardware device. That device be like this. You can see that video in website. In this like this device Tracer, while plugging, it will ask if you have like that MetaMask. If you have already seed phases or not. If you already have, we need to enter that seed phase. If you don't have any seed phases, you can create that wallet in a hardware ledger. And then if you are doing any transaction, you need to create one pin like MetaMask. You are entering password, right? The same way you need to create one pin. After the pin creation, it will show all the cryptocurrencies. In that, you just select the Ethereum. Ethereum will be like just entering pin, and then you can select the Ethereum icon. It will be present in that ledger display. If you are doing any transaction, that transaction request will be comes like that, comes into the device mirror. Once you are approving, it will transfer. It's like a pen drive kind of thing. Just plug in and then you can do a transactions. And then MetaMask and then MyEther wallet. Uh, from your just load this URL and then try these wallets. If you have any difficulties in that, just mail me. I will help on regarding that mail. You already tested MetaMask, and then MyEther wallet is like MetaMask. You can see the same pattern is there. Just there, write at something here. New wallet, access my wallet. You can see you have already seed faces means, yeah, mnemonic faces. Just click, then copy paste that values. Now I can access that. What are the addresses I have? That balance is also in my Ether wallet. The seeds are created in MetaMask, but I can use that seeds in every wallets. That is the major advantage here. I'm just placing that my Ether also. Just try to play with this. How accounts are creating, how to play with that wallets, these kind of things. Okay. And then, is there any doubts? These two are hardware wallets. This is the software wallets like MetaMask and then MyEther. MetaMask is mainly used for DApps. Like if you know JavaScript means you can access that MetaMask. Let me show that. Wait. If it in that while installing that MetaMask, it will access. It will ask on pop-up. In that, it is showing. It will do some injecting script. That is, I am showing Ethereum dot enable. This is one function. Yeah, this is happening. While clicking any MetaMask action, this will come right for connecting. This is happening with this JavaScript code. Just I'm saying how that web page and then the MetaMask is get connected. Don't confuse with it. Okay. Is there any doubt?
We are invoking the MetaMask plugin using the JavaScript, sir.
Yeah. In some places, while in MyEther wallet also, if we access with MetaMask, it like let me show that MetaMask is here. Okay. If I am accessing means it will call this MetaMask, right? Here that function will be called that JavaScript. Understand? That
Yes,
is the
sir.
way only they are fetching the details. Like the MetaMask is injecting while loading a page. The MetaMask is injecting entire script into this page. That is what they are showing alerts. We can able to inject some data and script in your web page. Is it fine? Some alerts while installing that MetaMask. Some people's will noticed, some people's not noticed. I think so. And then Ethereum dot chain ID means chain ID is like 3. 3 means Robston. If I am switching into, let me switch into mainnet. Okay, Ethereum dot. If you are type Ethereum and then dot means it will give all the options. You no need to do any remembers. Just know about chain IDs. It is like 0x1. Mainnet is 1. Kindly brief about my Ether wallet. Yeah, sure. Uh, it's understood how the web page is calling the MetaMask will happen. How the backend JavaScript happening, I explained. And then my Ether wallet, the same thing. I imported all that address, and then I can do transfer, send transaction. How much Ethereum? Like 1 Ethereum. Entering 1 Ethereum. Which address is this? Oh, I switched it. I need to switch into Robston. The address also get changed. I am sending 1 Ether to one of the person. Let's see. Some person transferred 1 Ether to me, so I'm going to transfer this to this person. But I don't know about this address person. Is the main thing. Mm, 25 minutes, 0.5 Ether, 8 Ether. Okay, let's see. I'm going to transfer to this address. Okay, transaction fee. I'm going to edit. Regular. It's like 30 V. Nothing. This is not. These are the comes under contract part. 30 V. Same transaction. Okay. Anyways, it will comes under MetaMask. I can edit here also. Advance. Here I enter 30. I enter 45. This is calling with JavaScript interface with MetaMask. Then I'm closing. Transaction in process. You can get the transaction receipt for every transactions. Transaction is confirmed. Yeah. This person received 1 Ether. I don't know who he is. The same thing, same functionality will have a my Ether wallet, but small changes, UI changes like send offline and then left manage. Send offline means if you turn off your network, then you can enter that address, data limit. This is what I said. You can sign it in your local, like client side, without transferring any network call. Gas price in GV, generate transaction, confirm. Yeah. Again, I send zero transaction, 0 Ether to that person. Okay, shall we move on next? Hardware wallet, it's like it will wait for you. If you are performing with hardware wallet, it will ask permission for accessing if you want to pay this transaction. If you want to confirm this transaction, it will ask. Once you are clicking, the transaction will be published, and then it will be like pen drive that we discussed. And then software wallet that we discussed, MetaMask, my Ether wallets. That's all. Eh, if you have any questions,
How to invoke the JavaScript using the in a tracer.io, sir? Can you able to explain now, please?
where you are saying,
So tracer, with the help of we are invoking the MetaMask, no, on the tracer.io.
is that here only I explain. Ethereum dot enable. This is asking or,
Yes, sir.
if you are opening any websites like I am entering, not only this website, entering Google. Okay, reject. Okay. Now I am loading for google.com. The google.com, just open Control Shift C. It will open the console. Inside the console, yellow color, the MetaMask will inject some script into your web page. We'll do this. Just enter. It will ask the permission. Then click next. This is what happening. I will share the script now. Here. Let's try this in your browsers. Any other questions? Only in that tracer.io, you can perform in every places like every website while that Java MetaMask is injected.
Hello, sir.
This is only for demo port, right? What about real data transfer? That real data transfer, I will show it on further sessions. This is like just transferring Ethereum funds, and then how we can handle that Ethereum accounts, Ethereum balance. That's all. Let's do a one.
Hello, sir. A small announcement to the participants, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, participants. Session 6 attendance link is available in the chat window as well as in the WhatsApp group. Kindly all of you submit your attendance. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. This web page is created by me. You can see while opening this website, it will ask that MetaMask permission. While I am selecting all accounts, I'm connected. Unlock. Chain ID is 3. Ethereum balance. Ethereum address. If you want to get any blocks like zeroth blocks, I can get 0 block. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I will share that. And then if you want to transfer some amount to any other persons, we can perform in our JavaScript. Like I want to transfer one to like what is that address? can catch this address, just paste it, then click transfer, well as MetaMask operations. Just clicking that, the transaction is submitted. Yeah, here. This is how we can utilize MetaMask. The complete functionality will be in a JavaScript. I will show the. Don't confuse. I will explain in our detail in our further developments. The transaction is completed. Ready. Just simple one file. Basically, you don't know. Just while the page I am entering. Let's say here. I'm just entering. It's asking. This is how the JavaScript is involving in DApps. Okay. And then if you see that all the things in this place I am checking enabled or not. How I am checking means Ethereum dot enabled. Enabled means it is giving address. If it is locked means it is does not give any result. It is empty. And then how I am getting the chain ID means just enter Ethereum dot chain ID. How I am getting that balance let me show the code. Get block, get balance here. You can see the copy this. Get 3 dot will show the balance. You have to inject your Web3 in that. But this is the way. While explaining that Web3 session, I will clearly explain how we can perform that balance in Web3. These things I will explain clearly. MetaMask will running continuously at the back. If you are opening any websites like whatever, if you are opening Google, we already opened Yahoo. We are opening Yahoo. It's automatic. Not inject that script into every pages. But it is asking, while let's say, let's remove. MetaMask also have a support on iOS, Android. Auto Brave. It is showing read and change all your data in website that you visit. This is what it is asking. If you are visiting any websites, it will inject the script. Okay, when I am not using it, how to log out? There is a button for lock. Let's say let